Let me be real with you. I've seen barbers patch ringworm, lice, even staph infections to clients. No, like I've literally seen a kid with staph infection and alopecia on his scalp from a barber not properly cleaning their equipment. But after watching this video, you will never be that barber. Today, I'm going to show you the right way to sanitize your tools so you can keep your clients safe and your reputation intact. Look, we all want to move fast behind the chair, get our clients in and out, and stack money.
This is business.
But if you're cutting corners on sanitation, you're putting everybody at risk. I'm Thomas from the Barbershop Directory, and I've been cutting for over 13 years. I'm about to break down the 3 critical categories every barber needs to master: your clippers and trimmers, your electric shavers, and your combs, guards, and brushes. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to stay sanitary without wasting time. Now, before we jump in, let me show you exactly what you'll need to get this right, and the precautions you'll need to take when handling certain chemicals. Always, and I mean always, read product labels. First, you'll need Clippercide. This is your go-to disinfectant spray for blades. Use this in a well-ventilated area. Next, Blade Wash for deep clean after you've been cutting all day. Ship-Shape Cleaner. This breaks down product buildup like nothing else, and this is used for your combs, guards, and brushes. This does cause skin and eye irritation, so use gloves when handling, and avoid splashing. Dawn dish soap. Regular blue Dawn works perfectly for breaking down oils and removing residue. Barbicide solution. This is for soaking and serious disinfection. This is a hospital-grade disinfectant, and it's also a pesticide. And the label clearly tells you do not get this on your skin. And you'll need dedicated cleaning brushes. You can buy these in bulk on Amazon or find them at any beauty supply store. Clean towels or paper towels for wiping everything down, and some disinfectant wipes. All of this together will probably run you around $80 to $100, but that's a way cheaper initial investment than a lawsuit for spreading an outbreak. Now let's get into it. First up, clippers and trimmers. Step 1, use a cleaning brush to remove debris from blades. Turn the machine on and follow that up with a layer of Clippercide spray on the cutting blade and top blade. This is the most efficient way to sanitize between cuts since it requires minimal time. And Clippercide is a 5-in-1 aerosol. Contact time is 10 minutes to effectively disinfect. Normally, you would have to do this for multiple clippers and trimmers you use during a haircut. But this is what makes the switch so much more efficient. It functions as multiple tools in one with its dual power modes, so you simply sanitize and pop on a different attachment. Instead of having 3 or 4 different clippers getting dirty, you've got one machine doing everything. Less tools to clean means more time cutting. After a full day of cutting, do a deep clean using Blade Wash. Submerge the teeth of the blades into the solution, and it will pull away any sludge from the blades. Now let's talk about electric shavers. This is where a lot of barbers mess up because you think a quick brush off is enough. Pop the top off of the shaver. See all that buildup in there? That's where bacteria loves to fester. Look at all that dead skin, hair particles, and buildup. That's a breeding ground for infection. I'm taking my cleaning brush and I'm scrubbing every crevice. Spray the blades with a layer of Barbicide. Reassemble and let it set. And remember, 10 minutes is the cleaning time. Your clients will feel the difference when the shaver glides smoothly instead of it pulling because of the gunk buildup in the shaver. Last, but definitely not least, your guards, combs, and brushes. These might seem harmless, but they transfer just as much bacteria as anything else in your kit. Look at this comb. See all that buildup? That's product, dead skin, and natural oils. Every time you run this through someone's hair, you're spreading whatever was on the last person's head. With guards, it's the same case. These collect more hair and product than anything else. Dawn soap is perfect for breaking down oils and product buildup. Use hot water and Dawn soap and scrub with the cleaning brush. Get between every tooth of the comb. Ship-Shape Cleaner is designed specifically for combs and brushes. It's great at dissolving buildup and removing loose hair particles. Mix hot water and Ship-Shape according to the directions. Scrub the combs and guards. Run a comb through the bristle brush and let everything soak for a few minutes. I follow this up with a Dawn soap wash to remove any residue from the Ship-Shape. This leaves your implement squeaky clean. Everything gets a final rinse. Shake off the excess water and organize your clean tools separate from your dirty ones. This isn't just about looking professional, it's about protecting people's health. And like I showed you, having the right sanitation protocols and the right tools, like the Switch 1.0, can actually make your sanitation routine faster and more effective. If this helps you level up your sanitation game, smash that like button, subscribe to the Barberstyle Directory, and drop a comment letting me know what other type of educational content you want to see. And if you're as serious about your tools as you are sanitation, learn more about the switch at duettechnology.com. Stay clean, stay professional, and keep cutting. I'll see you guys on the next video.